Clean up.
It's too strong.
It's
Oh,
okay.
no.
It's okay. Just put it back.
No.
It's okay.
Oh, no.
It's okay. Ayusin mo na.
Mikey.
It's okay. Ito. Ganun mo, put it back here. Use your 2 hands. Galit. Galit ka? Yun pa. Yun. Okay. Yan. Good job. How about that one? Yan. Ito. How about this one? Where will you put it?
Oh, yeah.
Good job. Super. Up here.